What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Shotcut tutorial. Now, as you saw by the title, I'm going to be showing you how to replace files. So let's say you had an edit file and you're about halfway through it, you saved it, and then the files that you used in it, let's say you had you're doing a game over, you take your gameplay, you move it to somewhere else, and then you try to open up that edit a wee bit after that. It won't load because the gameplay file is now in a different place. If I go into, say, let's go into this edit now, it's going to come up with this. So it's saying it's missing. In reality, it's not missing. It's on your computer, but it doesn't find it in the exact location. So what you want to do is you want to double click on it, and you've got two different videos for the face cam in one video. It will take both videos as a replacement for the two missing files in that one part. You have to double click on the file and it will fit in replacement, then it'll come off a tick. All you have to click is OK, and after that the file should load up, but it will load up as a repaired file, as a repaired edit file. So that's literally how you replace files in Shotcut. I hope this helps. If it did help, make sure you smash thumbs up. Also, subscribe button for more. I'm doing tutorials every Saturday. It's a mix between Minecraft Achievement Guide and then Shotcut tutorial week after week. So as you see here, I now have my edit file up with the actual video. Make sure you go check out my other tutorials. I've got another Minecraft Achievement Guide tutorial coming next week. Check out my Nugget Thursdays videos. Every Thursday, it's 6 o'clock. Make sure you get to them. Yeah, that's the range of football, geography, and we'll be running into some challenges now because we're going to do it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you all in the next one. Right, peace. Replacement. That the file should load up, but it will load up as a repaired file, as a repaired edit file. So that's literally how you replace files in Shotcut. I hope this helps. If it did help, make sure you smash thumbs up.